Welcome back to Metal of Honor. I'm Yidna. This is going to be only the second video that's going to be in the Weird Projects playlist. It's basically a real tiara for a Barbie doll. A little bit extravagant, but that's what this video is. Hope you enjoy it. The next two videos are going to be going back to full tutorials. So previously I've done up to like the level 4 tutorials for the making with the commentary and the full explanation of what I'm doing. But the next two are going to be more like a level 6, level 7-ish. But yeah, please like and subscribe if you want to stick around and sort of watch those two, or watch previous lower level tutorials. But yeah, this one, Tiara for a Barbie. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for all the previous likes and subscriptions. Seems to be going quite nicely. But yeah, please enjoy. Take care.
Here again, you told me you just wanna be friends, so I act like I don't understand. Go ahead now, be the man. Let's pretend I don't know about your little plans. Look so cute and innocent, but you're as lost as Peter Pan. Could drop the bomb instead. I told you whenever you need me, just call if you want to. 'Cause hey, that's what friends supposed to say. Minute after minute we fade, and I don't even know what's next. Watch me turning tides, now open your eyes to fade, so we fade. Minute after minute we fade, and I don't even know what's next. Got nothing to say, 'cause your face is fake. That's why we fade away. Here we go, finally some rock and roll. Except that you're just a sinking stone, too hard to stay in control anymore. You got no clue, and that's your problem. I know you can't stress no other about it. You still wanna be my friend. I dropped the bomb, you said what's wrong, babe? Scary how you still try to smile and deny it. Yeah, I'm sure your dad still thinks you're great. Minute after minute we fade, and I don't even know what to say. I got nothing to say, 'cause your face is fake. That's why we fade. Minute after minute we fade, and I don't even know what to say. I got nothing to say, 'cause your face is fake. That's why we fade away. Minute after minute we fade, and I don't even know what's stay. I got nothing to say, 'cause you're fake, so fake. That's why we fade away. That's why we fade away.
Monday morning blues. I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side. Everything is beautiful. Tuesday afternoon, I'm calling you home just to hear your voice on the phone. I think of you and I'm not alone. You are everything under the sky so blue. I found my piece of heaven, spending my days with you. life is a bliss. Waking up with you in my arms, I've got it all, and nothing's amiss. Everything is beautiful, Sunday morning snooze with breakfast in bed. And I listen to the song in my head, it sings of you and the things that you do, 'cause you're everything. Under the sky so blue, I found my piece of heaven. Spending my days with you. You are my piece of heaven. Under the sky so blue, I found my piece of heaven.
First time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Give it time, things will settle. Just a face till it's better, yeah. Heard it all before. Even though we were toxic, feels the most when you've lost it. That's just how it goes. By myself feeling lonely, can't get back to the old me. I stuck it way till your hair on a backslid. You know I like it like that. The other girls in the backseat, me in the front 'cause I'm bad. And it feels like the prom. That's what never saw I got a little drunk. And they're waiting for us. Hey, you, jumping on Cadillacs. Here's to the best that we'll ever have. Everyone's watching when we're walking in. Hey, they don't know you like I know you. Now they know. Now we're sharing this cake. Eat dessert from your lips, no plate. I'm first class, looking like a Barbie. All my friends, they really try to warn me, but